What is it? What are you looking for?
I want to be sure if this bulldozer is artificial or original. Because it may like so many artificial up and down.
I will not blame you. Okay? My nyash no be artificial.
Have mercy upon us. Man!
Samo Kazukwanike Samo Wokishin Kwachaga Sesusenike. Anywhere where you went in a Pariziara.
Good afternoon.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Excuse me.
Okay? Yes.
Good afternoon once again.
Good afternoon. What is it? What are you looking for?
I want to be sure if this bulldozer is artificial or original.
Excuse me. Wait a minute. You mean my ass? I don't get it.
You should get it because there are so many artificial bonbons in town. So I want to know if this your own is among them.
So wait. Hold on. You stopped me under this hot sun only to ask me a stupid question.
Nonsense.
Goodness.
Nonsense. Just to find out if it is original or fake.
Keep quiet.
Here is God.
Oga, don't be angry. Take a good look at me.
Unless you tell me. Eh? I want to be sure. I want to be sure because it may like so many artificial up and down.
I will not blame you. Okay? My nyash no be artificial. You don't have anything done. You're so jobless. And that is the reason why you had the time to stop me here and ask me about my ass. That doesn't even concern you. What nonsense? See, let me tell you, this should be your first and the last time you will see me on the way and stop me for this useless question again. Or I'm taking it easy with you. Next time you do it, you will not like what I'll do to you. Come on, my ass is not artificial. Next time you will not like what I'll do to you.
Samo
You guys
Kazukwanike
looking for troubles to look for. Don't you ever try it again.
Samo Wokishin Kwachaga Sesusenike.
Original bonbon, wait on no.
Anywhere you went
You think you can even buy artificial bonbon? Look at this. Take it easy. Take it easy to buy artificial bonbon. If you know it's go and buy your own.
God have mercy upon us.
I